Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to disable laptop keyboard when external is plugged in. I ran into this problem when I kept accidentally pressing my laptop keys while using my external keyboard. So here's exactly what I did to disable the built-in one. First, let's open the Windows search bar, type Device Manager, then launch it. Once it's loaded, let's expand the keyboard section. You'll usually see something labeled standard PS/2 keyboard. That's typically your laptop's internal keyboard. To double check, let's unplug my external keyboard briefly to see which one stayed listed. After confirming, let's right click the PS/2 keyboard and select uninstall device. Windows gives you a warning, which is normal. Let's click uninstall, and when it asks me to restart, I choose no for now. Instead of resetting immediately, I manually shut down my laptop from the start menu, then powered it back on. Let's test it. My laptop keyboard no longer responded, but my external keyboard worked perfectly. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.